Are you tired of all the confusion? You don't know what prop firm to trade. You don't know what account to buy. What are the rules? Well, my friends, you can now trade with clarity. See what I did there? Trade with clarity. Today we're talking about Lucid Trading. This is a new prop firm that we just added to the onlypropfirms.com website. You can go to onlypropfirms.com at any moment, 24 hours a day, and find out which prop firm has the current best deal, all in cost, right? There's always like this weird thing of oh, hey, we're on sale. But when you actually look at the price, when you look at the activation and all of that fun stuff, that sale don't always look so good. So you can see right now, this is kind of comparing. We got Lucid with the 50K account. It's $93. That's with the code PW, getting the 40% off right now. So comparing Lucid to My Funded Futures to Funding Ticks Pro, you can kind of see the top three right now. Price wise, obviously there is a little bit difference in price there, but also based on the rules and the payouts and all that fun stuff, which we're going to talk about right here in this video, my friends. So let's get some clarity here. And I think I love the guy. I love the guys at Lucid, but let's. I'm just thinking it's funny. All right, I had a meeting with the guys from Lucid. We talked. I was like, hey, what's your deal? What are you guys doing? Kind of went over their overall business plan. What is their goals? What are they looking like financially? Are they making money? Are they able to pay out? Are they having issues? Are they, growing? And well, from everything that I know, from everything that I've talked to them, and after a few meetings back and forth, they sound like they're very healthy. And after talking to some traders and some other people in the industry, really seems like they got a good thing going right now. So Lucid Trading, they're not the biggest, but they seem to be really kind of taking some market share here and growing right now. They've paid out $4 million total, or $4 million plus. They've got over 5,000 traders. Their average payout time is 15 minutes. And well, you can see right here, this is probably the big news. They've got Ninja Trader and they've got Trade of 8 coming soon. They currently have Rhythmic and Project X if you want to trade on that as well. So right now they are 40% off. Use the code PW. The big thing after talking to the owners and the team at Lucid is they wanted to make it very clear that their goal is to basically have a very clear understanding of the rules and the payouts and the structure for traders to be able to buy an eval or buy a directive funded account, then get into a sim funded account, and then move into the live markets, grow with Lucid, and become a better trader. Well, that's at least the sales pitch. Well, step one, they've got end of day drawdown. So no trailing drawdown, no hard breach rules, 10-to-1 micro scaling, meaning that if you could trade 5 minis, well, you can trade 50 micros for all my micro traders out there. Step two, trade to earn payouts, 90-10 profit split, no payout windows, clear and simple rules. So no payout windows. Basically, you earn, you hit your targets, you get paid out. You don't have to wait to a certain time of the month. You don't have to wait till the middle of the month to get a payout and all that fun stuff. They've got the Lucid Live, which is step 3. You can swing trade, you can withdraw funds daily, you can have custom risk settings, and you can trade with real capital, earn incentives, access firm resources. So Lucid really is trying to be a proper prop firm. They are incentivizing traders to get into the live account, then get your payouts daily. Build with these guys, use some of their connections, use some of their resources, and grow with Lucid. So they've got the 3 different accounts, kind of standard sizing, the 50K, the 100K, the 150K, right? They've got the one-time fee being, $155, 40% off. They got a reset fee, the profit target. We'll just talk about the 50K account because it's normally kind of the go-to for most people. You got a $3,000 profit target. You got a max daily loss limit of $2,000 or max loss limit of $2,000. You've got the drawdown, end of day drawdown and you've got $1,200 fixed daily loss limits. So the maximum that you can lose in the account is $2,000. The max that you can lose per day is $1,200. And again, that is a end of day drawdown. So it is not trailing. It is, as you're making money, the drawdown is growing, but it's not like following your profits like a intraday trailing drawdown account. You've got the option to go to Lucid Pro, the no activation fee, no hard breach rules, and clear path to live in Lucid Pro phase. They've got the reviews, Trustpilot right now. People are happy. It's from what I've seen, online and reading, all that fun stuff. That's kind of what they have. If you look here, they've got the instant payouts, instant activations, 24/7 real support, instantly upgrade your eval to pro account on the same day. They've got the platform freedom, trade with the platform that you want, real-time data, and obviously clear path to live. And that was kind of, I guess, when you really think of like their story, right? Trade with clarity. It's like, hey, look, you do this, you then go into a live funded account and you get paid. If we look here, let's talk about some of their payout rules and how all that works. How do Lucid Pro payouts work? To be eligible for a payout, you must not violate trading rules. Yep. Payout requests are final when submitted. Yep. Trader receives 100% of the first $10,000 in payouts from Lucid funded accounts. After reaching $10,000, it then becomes 90-10. So you must meet all the following criteria. Minimum profit on trading days. You must earn at least the minimum required profit on 5 separate days during the payout cycle. So with a 50K account, you need to make a minimum of $100 a day. Consistency percentages. Your largest single day profit must be no more than 35% of the total profit during the payout cycle. The 35% consistency percentage resets after each payout. This ensures that payouts or profits are earned with consistency, not via one unusually large trading day. So once you get your profit over the buffer, that's when you can then start to get your payouts. To request a payout, your profits must exceed the buffer balance, which acts as a safety net to avoid hitting max loss after a payout. You cannot take a payout from the buffer balance. So for example, 50K account, if the balance is $52,800, you can withdraw $700. So that basically says like, hey, get a 50K account, make $3,000, and then withdraw $700, $800 there. If you take a trade before your payout is processed that drops your balance into buffer, your request may be denied. So be aware of that. Payout minimums and maximum. The minimum payout request is $500, which they said, you need the 5 days of $100 minimum. Well, there it's clear to see. And then they had a new kind of payout structure as well. So maximum payout amounts depend on account size and payout cycle. The new payout table here started on 8/17/25. So if you have a 50K account, payout 1 and payout 2 is $1,500. Payout 3 and 4 is $2,000. And then payout 5 and 6 is $2,500. Payout timing and processing, there is no fixed payout window. So basically, if you make money, you do the 5 days. It doesn't matter what day of the month it is. It doesn't matter what day of the week it is. You can request a payout. Once approved, the funds will be deducted from the account within a few minutes. Payouts will be dispersed to your payment method within 2 business days. And then they talk about starting July 1st, pro accounts will have a 150,000 total live funding cap across all active accounts, which is pretty kind of normal right now. Any capital move live the first time around reduces the available max on subsequent attempts. So that's the big news there. We looked at the payouts and all that fun stuff. Lucid Trading, like I said, they've got a couple popular platforms right now, but they will have Tradeovate. They'll have NinjaTrader very soon. And Rhythmic, you can trade on multiple platforms. They got the Product X, got Motivwave, and there, yeah, all that fun stuff. Pricing wise, I think they're very competitive in the sense of what you're getting. You're not getting the trailing daily loss limit. There's no activation fee. The reset is obviously cheaper as well. So I think the 50K account, best bang for your buck when you really think about it in terms of overall risk to reward. You make 3,000 with a risk of 2,000. The 150K account, it's not terrible. You make $9,000, $400 max loss limit. Obviously, you get to trade more size. You get 4 contracts on the 50K. You get 10 contracts there on the 150K account. They've also got the direct to funded accounts as well, which basically you just go directly into a funded account. The way that works is you pay and there is no eval. So literally the moment that you start trading is the moment that you start working towards a payout. Minimum days to get a payout, 8 days, max accounts 5. You can trade 4 contracts, 20% consistency rule. You've got the Lucid scale daily loss limit. 60% of the peak end of day balance is your daily loss limit, if that makes sense. And then you've got a fixed daily loss limit of $1,200 there for the 50K account. That is straight to funded, no evaluation, built for maybe steady traders or however you want to look at that. But they've got the 150K account there as well. So if you're interested, there are options, a lot of options out there right now. You can learn more about it. You can check out onlypropfirms.com. You can compare them to the best, the rest, and all that fun stuff. We've got all the news every day. See what's going on there during the week, during the market, and see what prop firms have the best deals right now, and learn more at onlypropfirms.com. Check out Lucid Trading and see what they're all about. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you trading with Lucid Trading? Do you have clarity? Do you have clarity? Do you have clarity? Let me know in the comments down below.